This is my target setup and I have only two strict requirements. First, I need the widest field of view possible from single screen. Second, this setup has to work perfectly for both sim racing and home cinema. But here's the challenge. I'm dealing with a sloped ceiling that meets the wall at a very low height. Plus, the entire wall has acoustic treatment and space is tight. I don't want any stand legs crossing that presented line. I need the TV centered between my front speakers, and I want enough room to stretch my legs right under the screen. To make this work, the stand legs needs to be spaced wide enough to fit my sim rig. Since my rig is 60 cm wide, I'm spacing the stand legs at 80 cm. Everything will sit entirely behind the screen. My eyes are at height of 105 cm when racing, so I use that to calculate the exact center of the screen, the mounting holes and the hanger height. My solution? A custom concrete block with built-in threads. It acts as both a heavy counterweight and a solid base. I'm designing this with a high safety factor in mind, just in case of accidental bumps or a strong draft from an open window. Now let's talk physics. The TV weighs 22 kilograms and its mass shifts slightly forward. Since the legs only extend backward, the front edge of the stand becomes a pivot point. To stop it from tipping forward, I need a strong counterweight at the back. Based on my assumptions, the calculated weight per leg was only 6 kilograms, so in my case, it will depend on the size of my legs anyway. Time to verify calculations. Let's check if it's stable under the weight of the TV. And since safety was important, let's repeat the process with twice the weight. Note: these tests were conducted by a professional. Do not try this at home. Before I get into the building process, here are all the materials you need to build a similar stand.